Just shove, was it no?
Just needs to be careful there. That's a nice ball.
Hooks it forward. Jay Bird gives chase. Ottos looks. Jay Bird for Arbroath. Jay Bird, and it's a goal! What a finish by Jay Bird!
What a finish!
Just as we were talking about there, he's ragdolled Ewan Otto and slams it past Denny Motto, Mehmet in the visitors' goal. Right before half time, it's Arbroath 1, Dunfermline 0. Slayer hooks it clear. Jay Bird, little touch. He's through. Jay Bird. Can he get a shot away, Jay Bird? Great tackle by Robbie Crawford. Arbroath have had some.
Hudson goes down, appeals for a foul, nothing given. Astel's there though to help him out momentarily, but it's a potential attack again. It's with McKenna down the right hand side, ball on the edge of the penalty area. And it's 1-0 to the visitors.
Fitzpatrick inside. Hook clear by Steely, plays it long. Jermaine Hilton gives chase. Williams cuts it off. It's a great chance for Arbroath here. Jay Bird, can he slip in Jermaine Hilton? Jay Bird.
No shot terms in front of that shot as well. You're in, Jay. You're in.
Jay Bird.
1-on-1 with the keeper. Here we
Jay
go.
Bird is through.
To finish the game.
Jay Bird is through. 1-on-1 with Joshua Ray. And he rounds Joshua Ray.
Yeah,
Jay Bird, can he get a good pass in? He can, and that's out to Moussa Gaff. Moussa Gaff down the left-hand side now. Feeds a ball into Jay Bird. If he can turn and shoot, he does! That is a lovely goal from Jay Bird. So well worked.
Inside for Dagenham, be a right-footed. Swinger towards the near post, flicked on.
Stopped. In it comes, first time. Oh, a lovely header, but just wide. That was a great...
The visitors, and Harry Phipps, namely, was the player to get himself involved in that, but there might be a way here down the other end. Effiong